Hello guys, in this video we're going to be talking about Mailchimp and how to connect Mailchimp actions like creation, deleting, editing, just like this. Create or update Mailchimp member, add or remove member tags. So these are the various actions that we have basically on the workflow. So you can do this from your workflows on your Mailchimp account. How do you get this set up? This is what we are going to show you in this video. So you just need to log into your GHL plugin account. While in your GHL plugin account, you come into workflow apps. So you go to workflow apps and you go to available apps. In there, you're going to search for Mailchimp. You click on Mailchimp, which is going to let you install the app on your agency. Now you have to connect to your agency and let the installation be completed. So you select your agency, you allow the checkboxes, and you proceed. So when you click on proceed, the installation will be completed and this tab will be closed automatically. So you come back here and you're going to go under installed apps to see the various apps that you've installed. Now, if this is your first app that you're installing from GHL plugins, I think you must have to set up this the custom menu link. So I'm going to briefly show you how to set up the custom menu link for your apps. If this is not your first app, then you don't need to carry out this step. So to do this, you need to copy the custom menu link. You click on it, you go to your agency. So I'm going to switch to my agency view. In here, I'm going to settings. Under settings, I'll go to custom menu link. I'm going to create, select an icon. So you select an icon of your choice. You put in the name of your custom menu link. I'm going to put in stuff like my app, and I'll paste in the link that I copied. So you paste the link that you copied from your GHL plugin, and you set up the preferences here. When you're done with that, you can save. When you save, you just need to switch now to the sub account you want to use the workflow actions on. From there, you can go to your custom menu link that you added. So make sure that this sub account was added to that custom menu link. And now I'm going to the custom menu link added. So you search for the name that you added earlier and you click on. So it's going to open you something like this. Under available apps, you're going to see your Mailchimp. So I've connected Mailchimp already. I'm going to see it under connected apps. In your case, you see it under available apps. Now you click on Mailchimp. It's going to ask you to get the API key. How do you get the API key? You connect to your Mailchimp account. Simple. So this is the homepage for Mailchimp. You click on your profile, you go to profile. Under your profile, you go to extras, drop down API keys, and boom, here we are. You can create a new one, which is simple. You just put in a name, and you generate. So this is the API key you need to copy. And if you want to use it another time, you need to copy and put it somewhere, save it somewhere, because it's a one-time view stuff that you're creating. So you copy this link, come back here, and you paste it. When this is pasted, you submit, and your app is connected. So the app is installed on your sub account and connected to your Mailchimp account. Now you're good to go with using these actions in your workflow. How do you get to the actions? You need to go to automations, you go to workflows, you open the workflow so you can start using in every workflow as a normal action. You just need to click on the plus, every workflow on that sub account. So you need to click on the plus for actions, and if you scroll down, you're going to see the actions aligned. So I'm going to search for, because I have so many apps install, not Mailchimp Connect. I'm going to go down to Mailchimp Service. Mailchimp Service. So these are basically the actions that we have under Mailchimp Service. We have the add, remove member tag. We can delete member, the Mailchimp member. We can archive Mailchimp member. We can create or update a member. We can update a member. We can add member to a list. So these are the various actions that we can use from our workflows to communicate with Mailchimp, to have all this on Mailchimp automatically from workflows. So if you have any issue with this process and maybe the actions, whatsoever worry, you can get back to us with your inquiry and be happy to help you out.